Hello, welcome to this video. I've written a script that uses ChatGPT to automatically optimize my YouTube video titles. It's quite a mouthful, so I've called it the ChatGPT Automatic YouTube Title Optimizer, or CATO. CATO will ask ChatGPT for 20 titles, or whichever number we see fit for. It will then update the video with the new title, let it run for 2 weeks, change the video title to title V, and also record the data, so the clicks and impressions for title A. Let title B run for a bit, for 2 weeks, collect the data for title B, change it to title C, collect the data for title C, change it to title D, and so on and so on. And at the end, Cato will look back across all the titles and determine the winner. And then it will update the video with that title. So that's the rough idea of the video. Let's go. I've got a little folder here with a virtual environment, and I've made an account with OpenAI. OpenAI are the company that make ChatGPT, and they allow you to use the API for free. So once you've logged in and created your account, I'm not going to go through how you do that because, you know, it's just simples. Go to your personal account and then view API keys. You get an API key here. I've already created mine. But if you do create a new secret key, click that, comes up with a box, copy that, paste it in a text file, OpenAI key.txt, and put your key here. I'm going to do that off camera so you don't see my key. Right, I've put my secret key in that folder, and I shall, in that file, and I shall never open it on this recording. Okay, next we need to install the OpenAPI library with pip. So pip install OpenAI, blah blah blah. This is going to install the packages. Probably going to speed this up. Cool, there we go. And now the first thing is to import it. I'll import OpenAI. I'm just going to make a function called OpenAI equals OpenAI, and then we need to get the key. So key, import the path from pathlib. This is a bit of a cheeky way of doing it, but there we go. Path open AI key.txt, and that needs to be like that. Dot read text. Dot replace the new lines with emptiness, because there's going to be weird new lines in there. And then we can say OpenAI dot API key equals key. Actually, better, let's do this. And let's just run that to make sure we're all happy. Yep, all good. So now we need to get it to generate some text for us. So I've got the help here, and it gives us this bit of text here. So I'm just going to copy that, bring it over here, and change this OpenAI to that. Then prompt is just going to be, I don't know, tell me a dad's joke. So let's run that. Oh, and then we want to print the response. Print the response. And let's see what that looks like. There we go, we get some data back. Get some choices. What did the baby corn say to the mama corn? Hey, where's the answer? Boo! Bad joke. What you can do, you can set the tokens, it says, and that gives you more text, so maybe that's the problem. Let's run that again. There we go. What did baby corn say to mama corn? Where's my popcorn? Hey, very good. Now we need to get it to make us some YouTube titles. So instead of tell me a dad joke, let's say generate 20 YouTube titles for a video about subscribing to a MQTT topic. It's one of my videos. Just spelled YouTube wrong there. Save that. Generate that. Give it a minute. Computer's thinking. Taking quite a while. There we go. I've subscribed to an MQTT topic. 2. Subscribing to an MQTT topic step-by-step guide. Get started with MQTT subscribing. Yeah, this is all great. So now we've got the basics of it. What we want to do now, I think, is put this in a class. So I'm just going to pause it and quickly do that. Okay, so here's our little ChatGPT class. We've got a field called Open API, which is the Open API class, setting the class, setting the path, setting the key, and then we are generating the title. Titles, same as before. Not passing itself there. And return the response. So let's just quickly see if that's working. GPT equals ChatGPT. Titles equals ChatGPT dot generate titles. Print title. There we go. That should give us what we had before. Oh no, there's no. Oh, there we go. Oops. Did wonder why that was white. And that looks like it's working because it's taken a while. Okay, so the last thing to do is just look at the response that we get. It comes in this JSON, and we just want this text like this. So instead of return response, we're going to return response. We're going to say response equals response. Choices text. Choices. Oh, look, there's an array here. Choices 0 text. Choices 0 text, and we definitely want it in an array. So, and if you see at the start, it has these double new line spaces, so we're just going to ignore those, start from the second character, and then we're going to split by new line. So if you see here, there's a new line, and we're going to split that, so now we should get a nice array of title. Now we want to be able to pass in the number of titles that we want to generate and what those titles should be about as a variable into the generate titles function. So I'm just going to change the generate titles function. I'm going to add 2 variables, num and title. And I'm going to say generate plus the string of num plus YouTube titles for video about plus title. I'm just checking that. Generate plus YouTube title. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. And then back in the runner, we're going to have title equals subscribing to an MQTT topic, and we'll have num as equal to 2 just to make this quick. And then we'll have here num title, and if we run that, there we go. And I can't deal with it with these ones in the front. Also, you can see we've got these like apostrophes in there as well. So we're just gonna fix that. So we'll have titles equals this. And then we'll say title. So we want to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to get rid of the last 2? Maybe last one. Let's try what? Last 1. For title in titles. So that should hopefully solve our problem. Yeah, close enough. We have got that there. I think if we go to -2, I think we'll lose one on the next one. Oh no, there we go, that's good. Let's just run it. It seems to be giving us different ones each time now. Let's run it again. Yeah, there we go, look, it's broken. Okay, so I know what we'll do. We'll just go, we'll leave that for now. Just do it like this. This will, and we'll just have to clean it, so we can go dot replace that with that. I think that works. There we go. That's just cleaned it. Cool. Okay, that's the first part of this video done. In the next video, we'll be connecting to the Google API to update the actual YouTube video and get the data out, and then pulling it all together into a script that can run every day. Hope you enjoyed it and have fun.